Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hello and welcome. I'm Jona Rose. Today we're exploring the beautiful and intricate world of Voronoi patterns through 3D printing, a concept named after the Russian mathematician
Georgy Voronoi.
These patterns aren't just mathematical marvels. They're all around us in nature, from the microscopic cells of onion skins to the majestic patterns on giraffes. All 3D printed objects today are 75% their original size. Our first design is a classic Voronoi heart by Thingiverse user Roman Heglin, a symbol of how you can hold someone's heart in a new way. Next, we have a remix, featuring a heart within a heart, complete with built-in scaffolding, saving material compared to manual scaffolding. The original heart took about 3.5 hours and 22 grams of filament. That's approximately 44 cents from a $20 spool, or 66 cents from a $30 spool. The remix, just 2 hours, 5 minutes, and 13 grams, costing about 26 cents or 39 cents. That's a significant 41% reduction in material. And don't forget the cool standby Vadorak, printed in just 10 minutes using 5 grams of filament, adding near cents to the total cost. This project showcases not just the versatility of 3D printing, but also the communal spirit and creativity in the Thingiverse community. It's a testament to the love and support shared among 3D printing enthusiasts. Now you've seen the beauty of Voronoi patterns. I hope you've enjoyed this journey of love and design. Share your versions and experiences in the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more 3D printing adventures. See you in the next video.